Stellar, the blockchain company, developed by former Ripple employee Jed McCaleb, has just entered into a partnership with MoneyGram, a global and traditional peer-to-peer money transfer company, to provide stablecoin payout services. A partnership that entails plans to incorporate Stellar blockchain to unlock newer features for the users on the traditional online money transfer giant MoneyGram. With over 2 billion users, as reported in 2016, MoneyGram will leverage on this new merger to supply its users with the ability to make borderless payments using the USDC coin or receive payments through the said stablecoin. In other news, in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, members of the XRP community are looking to be taking over the entire crypto market and NFTs. Will this partnership help Stellar overthrow Ripple in the race for cross-border transaction settlement? Or will Ripple go across to amass profits of up to 1,000%, maybe $20 or the $30 mark? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The global leader in cross-border peer-to-peer payments and money transfers about a week ago announced that it would be going into a partnership with Stellar, and ever since, many spectators have been chiming in. We all know the founder of the Stellar platform was one of the lead architects of the Ripple blockchain. MoneyGram, on the other hand, was one of Ripple's biggest partners before the SEC lawsuit severed that relationship. Why has MoneyGram, a leading global financial settlement company, sought after partnerships from these relatively smaller but innovative blockchain firms? Through a partnership with Stellar, MoneyGram can initiate near real-time settlements of all payments on the platform, discarding the older ways of the Swift messaging system. Just as the legal tussle between Ripple and the United States SEC continues, the Decacorn startup continues to seek innovative approaches to develop and improve the platform's protocol and ecosystem. As the supreme leader, strategist, and commander of the XRP army, instead of focusing on the court case, let's zoom in on the new and exciting things happening inside the walls of Ripple Labs and what this means for the future, says BitBoy Crypto, another renowned XRP proponent and crypto enthusiast. So what do you say? Do we heed that, or ignore the fact that even though Ripple is in an ensuing battle with the SEC, that doesn't stop innovation for the software development company? The court doesn't count as a reason to pull the brakes on Ripple's roadmap. Following the developments and news coming out of Ripple and the XRP community, we could see that the XRP army is doing the most, currently trading at above the $1.13 mark, as Bitcoin conveniently topples the 57,000 price tag. XRP had a bit more resilience over the past couple of hours, but conveniently flipping the psychological $1.05 resistance level back into support. This seems to be all it takes to skyrocket to newer all-time highs, way past its local all-time high of $1.83, and even further beyond its most significant all-time gains of $3.40. Besides settling with the SEC, one exciting factor that would guarantee Ripple's existence over Stellar is the Ripple community. Although the Stellar platform is constantly growing in popularity and application, its community still has a long way to go compared to that of Ripple and XRP combined. It would be a bad sign to halt all innovation and partnerships given the Ripple SEC lawsuit or MoneyGram's pullout from the Ripple network of financial institutions. The last 9 years have been dedicated to the innovation of the XRP ledger to improve the platform's decentralization, performance, and entire feature set. The inclusion of smart contract functionality and NFTs to the platform serving as an excellent place to start. One of such developments for the Ripple platform comes with the Flare Network partnership, through which the Ethereum smart contract is integrated into the Ripple ledger. Recent news with the Flare Network's latest Canary sidechain, the Songbird sidechain launched on Thursday, September 16th, is focused on enabling Turing-complete smart contracts for any native blockchain without smart contract functionality, such as the XRP ledger. How could this partnership further help the Ripple network? Well, considering the Flare Network's affiliations with individual wallet owners, custodians, exchanges, data providers, and DeFi projects, Ripple can tap into these other platforms looking to test their applications on Songbird. On the other hand is XRP's federated sidechains, introduced earlier this year in June. The federated sidechains will enable federated finance and smart contract functionality throughout the XRP ecosystem without hampering the platform's transaction speed or efficiency. Through this same feature set, developers can unlock new capabilities concerning DeFi, NFTs, and interoperability. But for us to have a better understanding of what a federated sidechain entails, we must first refer to the definition of a federator. A federator on the XRP ledger is a piece of software that interconnects at minimum 2 instances of the XRPL protocol. With this federator software, it means that anyone who wanted to run a sidechain on the XRP ledger could do so seamlessly. Hence, the federator program serves as an intermediary, with the XRP ledger mainnet on the one hand and then one or more sidechains on the other. The federator would be run only by parties who operate validators on at least one sidechain on the Ripple protocol. Even though not in partnership with the Ripple platform, MoneyGram once maintained a cordial relationship with the Ripple team. In an interview from late last year, the group CEO at MoneyGram, Alex Holmes, believes that Ripple could replace the SWIFT system of cross-border remittance settlement. In addition, Ripple is also making giant strides in the NFT market, following its partnership with the Mint Table platform through a $250 million creator fund to enable creators to explore new use cases for NFTs on the XRP ledger. The stipulated funds will be used to provide targeted financial and co-marketing support for creators, brands, and marketplaces for them to explore newer use cases for NFTs on the XRP ledger while leveraging on the platform's inherent advantages in terms of speed, cost, and sustainability. This NFT marketplace, built around the Mintable NFT platform in partnership with the XRP ledger, allows creators to monetize their work. Needless to say, XRP has been a more than capable cryptocurrency for this, seeing its many advantages over Bitcoin. From the transaction speed to its consensus mechanism, which can handle as much as 1,500 transactions, with the capacity to take even more to the tune of 50,000 transactions per second, XRP is by far a better option to Stellar and XLM. Do you think the Stellar platform stands a better chance than that of Ripple? Then do let us know in the comment section below. The widespread economic hardship, loss of jobs, and recession caused by the COVID-19 pandemic are enough to push people to new financial ventures. Thus, finding the suitable investment to venture into, perhaps the right cryptocurrency now, should be in every individual's best interest. Because in a few months from now, I'm sure you would not regret that if it happens to be the decision you made today. It will undoubtedly be interesting to see what token eventually takes the lead between XRP and the Stellar coin, XLM. Because at the end of the day, it's always great to see similar platforms such as these two with unique feature sets competing for market share. This competition will most definitely drive innovation on both ends. You still have any doubt about whether Ripple can topple over the Stellar network in the long term? You can make your bet on both by owning some XRP and some XLM, and actively use both networks to find out which would become highly effective, cheaper, and intuitive to use. I know many crypto enthusiasts are wondering if a lawsuit can be won in favor of Ripple, but tell you what, the chances are that the founders of the XRP token would flourish with or without success in the SEC lawsuit. This confidence is restated by the fintech startup CEO, Brad Garlinghouse. He asserts that the company is ready to move on without a settlement with the SEC on whether the asset is a security or a digital currency. Another factor that buttresses XRP's longevity is that amidst the SEC lawsuit, the price of this digital asset has remained relatively stable, only dipping to its lowest price levels down to 20 cents at the start of the litigation, after which it soared even higher, recording newer all-time gains throughout the pre-discovery phase of the SEC lawsuit. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.